First of all, good evening,
Good evening.
and thank you so much, Ashish sir, for these 2 wonderful days. Uh, it has been a tremendous experience. Honestly speaking, when I had come down to Pune in September,
Mhm.
I met Kiran sir.
Okay.
That is when, because we know him through some references.
Okay.
So that is when he told me about attending this workshop. I was
Mhm.
apprehensive, which I told him also. 2 days of online workshop for a basic to advanced
Mhm.
looks a very ambitious program. He said,
Mhm.
"Ki, you attend the program and then you tell me the feedback."
Mhm.
So I think right from the inception, right from assigning an RM to sending the materials and the way the session was conducted. So I've been a professional for last 25, 26 years. I
Right.
conduct a lot of sessions in my field itself.
Mhm.
But I think the way you conducted the sessions, anyone who does not have any understanding of the stock market,
Mhm.
even that person will go back as a learned person. He will
Right.
get the confidence to start dabbling in stock.
Mhm.
I think your patience is commendable. Honestly speaking, the kind of questions which are coming in between, you are answering them very, very patiently.
Mhm.
Uh, every single concept, right? Even right from candlesticks to volume to the moving averages to the patterns, it was explained so beautifully and so patiently that I think anyone who's attended this would have gained confidence from 0 to at least 7 or 8. Now it's the balance two is all about practice.
Correct.
I think the course on financial management, portfolio management was absolutely brilliant. So I've already spoken to 7, 8 people during the breaks,
Right.
and there is one reference in my home only. My wife only will attend it
Okay.
next time whenever it happens. So I
Yes.
have to get two, but I'll possibly overshoot on that target as well, hopefully.
Right.
But it's been a wonderful session. I think whatever I was expecting in these 2 days, I think I'm definitely carrying much more than what I had come attending this session.
Right.
2 days, I think, is sufficient. Honestly speaking, the way you conduct the session,
Right.
because your passion, your energy itself gives us energy to keep learning more and more from this workshop. So really, really thankful to you for conducting this wonderful workshop. And hopefully I'll come back and meet you on the 2nd of November. I'm in Delhi right now, but
Okay.
I'll definitely come back and meet you in
Sure.
Pune
Sure.
on the 2nd. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.